Hi everyone, it's Jake here from Dents and welcome back to my latest video. So it's been a long time since I posted my last video, which was back in mid-January. So where have I been and what have I been up to? Stay tuned and all will be revealed. So, welcome back. First, I just want to say a huge thank you to anyone who left me a message asking if I was okay. I am okay. Unfortunately, I had to take some time off due to some injury issues, which meant I couldn't record and upload any videos to YouTube. But I'm happy to say I'm back, bigger and better than ever before. So, interestingly, whilst I was off recovering, I started getting back into some product designing again. Like PDR, inventing and designing stuff has always been a passion of mine since I was a little kid. So much so, in my late 20s, I went back to university and studied a 3-year product design degree course, even though I was still working at BMW as a panel beater, body jig operator and PDR tech. Don't ask me how I managed to do it all, but somehow I managed to fit it all in. And then in 2008, I started my own PDR company and instantly was very busy. So anything to do with inventing and designing just had to take a back seat until now. So recently I've been polishing all my 3D modelling skills, and to practice I thought it'd be a really good idea to 3D model all the tools that I use on a regular basis. This will then give me all the dimensions to allow me to make some of my own accessories, and I've also been busy putting together some videos where I can show you how to make them. I think it'd be a really good idea to add some creative design, problem solving, a little bit of engineering into the channel, as that will keep my other passion alive too. I'm also hoping to get my hands on a desktop 3D printer so I can test out some of these accessory ideas. Anyway, back to PDR. I'm currently working on several in-depth videos at the moment, the first of which is going to be out in the next couple of days. I've also built my own camera rig, which now allows me to get the camera in much closer than I've ever done before, without actually getting in my way. This will hopefully give you some sort of idea of what I see through my eyes when I'm carrying out these detailed repairs. And I know everyone wants to see those close-up shots, right? So I've noticed there's quite a few really good PDR channels popping up all over YouTube at the moment. Seems like PDR is more popular than ever before. Some of them are offering tool reviews, great advice, free tutorials, etc, etc. So instead of offering you the same kind of content that you've seen out there already, as mentioned before, I'm going to try and add some design, some engineering, some creative problem solving into mine, whilst continuing to provide some detailed repair examples. I'm also going to provide some tips and tricks for anyone getting into the industry, and I'm very open to any suggestions from anyone out there for things to offer in future videos. Now, I know you're used to watching some of my PDR repair time-lapse videos, for example, like the one shown here. Well, I thought it might be interesting to leave you with something a little bit different. So I've put together a time-lapse video of me modelling a suction cup and lock line system in 3D, exactly like the one shown here. So why did I do this? Well, I did this to give me all the correct dimensions so that I can build some of my own personalised PDR lights. Modelling everything up in the 3D virtual world first allows me to check that everything fits together nicely and everything works in unison before committing all my time and effort to making it here in the workshop. Now, I modelled everything up in detail apart from the piston here, which I did as one piece because I only needed the external dimensions. Well, that's it for now. If you are interested in seeing some of my new content, then please click that subscribe button and don't forget to click the notification bell to be kept in touch with all the new exciting videos coming your way. Well, I'll leave you now with my 3D time-lapse video, which I hope you find interesting, and I really look forward to seeing you all on the next video.